One day, when you look back, you may realize that despite all the people you have known, you have always been alone. But solitude can strengthen you and allow you to integrate what cannot be learned in good company. It is when I feel that I am true to myself that I am ready to do anything to be there. I do not need recognition, encouragement, support, or interest from others in order to move forward. My nature and infinite potential characterize me. Those who feel that no one believes in them do not need anyone else's belief if they believe in themselves. And remember, only those who take the risk of losing themselves can find their own way. Solitude is a place of purification. It allows me to know who I am and frees me from the constraints of the crowd. The man who walks alone has every chance to find himself in places where no one has ever been, while the man who follows the crowd rarely strays from the beaten path. Those who follow others like sheep will never truly be themselves, while the group has never been concerned with the passage of time. I'm not saying that you have to go it alone all the time. It's just that those who fight battles alone often have no support, no matter what they do. Instead of chasing others, focus on improving yourself every day, and they will eventually come to you. Remember, you can't miss an opportunity if you become the opportunity. Whatever you do it right and be the best at it with love. Everything is gonna be alright. It's not easy to go all alone, but they say that the hardest road to travel is the one you travel alone. Keep going and don't look back. It will be worth it in the end, so don't give up. It's not about pleasing everyone, just show them what you can do. You only need to convince 2% of people to believe you. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, walk. But no matter what happens, never stop. I will never give up on myself. I am strong and proud of who I am. I am honored to be by my own side. I am glad that I can tolerate loneliness without it silencing my heart. I hear the elevator. I am guided. I don't need anyone, but I love everyone. I can rely on myself. I am at peace with myself, which allows me to attract what I am. And though I walk through the valley of death, I will fear nothing because I know that you are with me.